Are you Mickey Mouse?
Yes.
Hello, Stuart. Install stem cells directly into the bloodstream. Memory regeneration should occur within 4 to 5 minutes. This is gonna hurt. Rightfully so. Okay. Phase 1, base memory. Okay. You hear me, Stuart? Fuck. Okay. Look at that light. What color is that?
Green. It's green, isn't it? Green. Yeah. Not blue, not yellow, not red, not white. It's green.
That's right.
Green. Green like grass. Green like trees, leaves, salamanders.
Keep going.
Green beans, alligators, oh, green beans. I love green beans. Yeah.
What else is green?
Green like peas and pickles and parakeets. The Incredible Hulk. The Grinch who stole Christmas. Yeah. Four-leaf clovers. Praying mantis. The Emerald City. Kermit the fucking Frog. It's not easy being green.
It's good, Stuart. Really good. Now tell me, where are we, huh? What's this place called?
This is a,
I know you can remember.
beach. This is a beach.
That's
huh?
right.
Yeah, we're on a beach. All this shit here is sand. Just sand. And that's the sea. Huh?
That's right.
Not a river, not a pond, not a lake, not a puddle. The sea.
Don't stop now.
The waves. The waves crashing. Crashing. Like timpani drums in Beethoven's Sixth. Like fireworks on the 4th of July.
20%. You're doing so well, Stuart.
Whoa. Hey, look at me. Look at me, man. I can amble. My muscles remember. My bones reacquaint. Look. I can dance, salt shoe, tap, jazz, Macarena, electric slide. Oh, yeah. Hey, what, just watch me whip. Oh, yeah? You watch me nay-nay. Woo. I can sing. Oh, I love to sing. Always have. Wise men say only fools rush in. For once in my life, I have someone who needs me. I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye. Chop up the soul Kanye, set on his goals Kanye. Yeah. Good dope jams. Lit bangers. I know again. And I know that I know.